In today's session, we are going to talk about why your business needs a CRM from the first place. In the past 4 years, we generated hundreds and hundreds of videos about CRMs and how to use them and their automation and the cool stuff around it. But we never talked about why do you need a CRM from the first place? Why not use Excel sheet or some basic database? I was able to come up with 3 different reasons, and those reasons I think are a game changer if you implementing a CRM in the right way. The first one will be automations. Whenever you have proper automations in your company, you will reduce the level of errors that your team is generating. Let's assume that you're sending a contract to your client. If the contract is automated and it's pulling information from the record, the chances that there will be mistakes on the contract are very, very low, because the record is something that the team was working with until the point that the contract was sent, versus someone trying to send the contract as soon as possible, and then the information is loaded as they go and the chances for mistakes is going higher. Another aspect of automation is that a machine can do the work faster than you. Let's assume that a new lead comes in. The system will be able to send a text message or an email to your prospect and let him know that you received the lead and you're on top of it, and you will give him a call in a few minutes. And therefore he will stop what he's doing and he will not contact more vendors. Okay? So there are lots of things that automations can really help your business. It can let it grow, you can save manpower, reduce mistakes, less customer service. It's awesome. The second part will be processes. Whenever you have quality processes in your company, first of all, your employees will not need to spend too much time to know how to work with your systems, because it will be based on a step-by-step approach. The system will ask for the employee to enter information based on where he is on the deal process or customer service process. But the idea is that the brain, the business owner brain, goes into the CRM, and then the employees are basically using the logic of the business owner as they work with the system. Now, it's also much easier to bring new manpower to your company, because whenever you bring new manpower, imagine that they need to click on buttons without really knowing what those buttons are doing and why the logic is as it was set from the first place. So processes will allow you to boost productivity of the company, will be easier for the employees to operate, and one of the biggest advantages, because the system is asking for the employees to enter specific information into the system, therefore the management later on can get quality reporting based on quality data that was entered into the system, which is completely valuable. The third part will be that you will have one place in the system and everything about your client will be in one place. That means that you can see your client details, you can see in the same place all the emails that were exchanged with this client, all the text messages that were exchanged with him, all the meetings that you had with him, all the tasks related to this person, all the calls, and so on. So you have basically one place that the entire life cycle of your client is in one place. So in case that you need to know how many support tickets the client had, or how many invoices, or when was the last transaction, and so on, everything is in one place. So it's very easy to understand what's going on with the client and also easier to serve it. Those will be probably the main reasons why I think that you will need a CRM from the first place. Now, if it's something that you like to explore, our company is a Zoho premium partner. All we do is meeting clients and help them move their businesses into a quality, stable CRM such as Zoho, which have more than 60 million users worldwide. We're able to meet our clients, we're able to extract their business requirements and help them implement the business requirements on Zoho, and of course on the way to help them understand what was done and train their team on how to use the system. In the description below there is a link to our website. You're more than welcome to book an appointment with me and I will be happy to explain to you the process. Thank you very much for watching this session. I hope you got some value from it and I will see you in the next session.